Before starting, be sure your tools are clean, sharp, and in good working order. Blades can easily be cleaned using orange oil or vinegar. Hand pruners are used to cut small diameter vegetative material. Most hand pruners are rated to cut up to 1/2 inch, but you may find yourself limited by hand strength. If material is too large for an easy cut, don't force it. Switch to loppers or a hand saw for larger material. To prevent the spread of disease from one plant to another, be sure to clean pruners when moving from plant to plant. Be sure to clean pruners before putting them away to prevent rust and decay.